Every business professional should consider this question. What happens to a corporation when the owner passes away? It's a topic that often gets overlooked, but it's vital to address. Before we begin, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Now, you might be surprised to learn that for many corporations, especially those that are closely held or family-owned, the death of an owner can have significant ramifications. Let's look at the stats. According to a study from the Family Business Institute, only about 30% of family and closely held businesses survive into the second generation. By the third generation, this number drops dramatically to 12%, and by the fourth generation, only about 3% of businesses remain. The reasons behind these numbers. There are many. Sometimes it's due to estate taxes. Sometimes it's because the succeeding generations aren't interested or equipped to continue the business. But often, it's due to a lack of planning. Without a detailed succession plan in place, the corporation can face a number of challenges. These can range from operational disruptions and potential loss of business value to disputes among heirs and shareholders. And all these can lead to complex legal challenges. At times like this, businesses need a partner they can rely on to guide them through the maze of regulations and paperwork. That's where we come in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We are dedicated to ensuring that corporations remain compliant, even during the most challenging times. Whether it's helping your corporation navigate the complexities of transfer of ownership or assisting in establishing a clear and robust succession plan, we are here to support. Our team understands that the passing of a business owner is not only an emotional loss, but also a potential business challenge. Our team is well versed in helping businesses remain operational, compliant, and true to their legacy. With the right preparation and support, your business can continue to thrive and potentially become one of the few that make it through multiple generations. So, if you're a business professional looking for guidance or simply want to ensure that your corporation is set up for success in any eventuality, know that our organization is standing by to assist. Your business's future depends on it. Remember, the best time to plan is now. Don't wait until it's too late. For more information, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, is there any specific information that you need quicker? Leave a comment below so one of our team members can help you out. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.